All right. So this was the menu-driven program of dictionary that we were doing yesterday. Okay. So the last menu was left. Yeah, we were here to search for a friend. So from here I start again. So if you are giving the value of x as 5, you are giving the value of x as 5, you opt to search for a friend. Print. Okay. Input the name of that friend whom you want to search. आप जिस फ्रेंड को सर्च करना चाहते हो उस फ्रेंड का नाम इनपुट करवा दो. सपोज आई वांट टू सर्च फॉर राहुल, सो आई विल टाइप राहुल. देन as we know, the membership operator, they check for keys whether this particular key exists in the dictionary or not. Same we have done here. If our desired name in membership operator dictionary, अगर वो डिक्शनरी में एग्जिस्ट करता है तो मैसेज शुड कम एग्जिस्ट इन द डिक्शनरी. Message should come, yes, friend exists. Otherwise, sorry, no such record found. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. Then we have number 6. If x is 6, अगर हम x की वैल्यू 6 पास कर देते हैं तो what will happen? You wish to sort key value pair. Now here we have to do the sorting. Here we have to do the sorting in ascending or descending order, whichever is your choice. So what we will do? We will take the sorted method, pass the dictionary as a parameter, and assign the sorted data to f. I will take the sorted method. I will pass my dictionary as parameter. Default ordering is ascending. All the keys, only keys, all the keys in ascending order, properly sorted, arranged in the form of list, will be assigned to variable f. You can take any variable you want, and then you can say after sorting key value pairs are this. You can sort, you can display the sorted keys of the dictionary friend. अगर आपको डिसेंडिंग में करना हो तो आप यहां पे रिवर्स इक्वल टू ट्रू कर दीजिए, तो ये डिसेंडिंग में हो जाएगा. Then last value, if x is equal to 7, if x is equal to 7, that means our exit, quitting from the code. You don't want to run the code, you want to quit from the code. You can say thank you for accessing the project, and you can take a break. जैसे ही आप ब्रेक दोगे आप इस while loop से बाहर आ जाओगे, इस वाले while loop से बाहर आ जाओगे. Little bit I have changed the code. Earlier my x was 0, now I have taken the value 1, and I am running the 7 options, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. My x should not be equal to 8. My x should not be equal to 8. If my x will be equal to 8, the while loop will fail. Okay, got it? Now I run this program in front of you. All the options I will run one by one so that you can check it out. Is the run window visible to everyone? Is the run window visible to everyone? All right. How many key value pairs you want? ये beginning है. This is the beginning. In beginning, I want 3 key value pairs. Enter the name. Aditya. Enter phone number. अब मैं 10 डिजिट का फोन नंबर दे रहा, मैं एक छोटा फोन नंबर ले रहा हूं. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग द फोन नंबर ऑफ 10 डिजिट्स. ओके, ये फर्स्ट की वैल्यू पेयर हो गया. सेकंड नेम 5678 फोन नंबर. थर्ड 8765. ओके, so this is my original dictionary. This is my original dictionary. Is it visible to everyone? This is my original dictionary. Now the menu starts. Display all the key value pairs, add a new key value pair, delete any particular key value pair, modify any phone number, search for any friend, sort the key value pair, quitting from the code. Which value you want to give? I want to give first value. Display all the key value pair. तो ये मेरा सारा डाटा डिस्प्ले हो गया. You opt to display entire dictionary. This is your data. Again, it has asked you the option. Which option you want to run now? I want to run option 2. Add a new key value pair. Another name. I am giving Kunal. Phone number 3344. एक और की वैल्यू पेयर ऐड किया. Let us see the first option, whether our new key value pair has been added or not. Check it out. It has been successfully added. Earlier there were 3 key value pairs. Now fourth one is also added. Successfully I have added one more key value pair. Delete any particular key value pair. Number 3 option. You opted to delete any friend record. Enter the friend name you want to delete. Rahul. Friends record successfully removed. You want to check whether Rahul record has been removed or not. We go with the first option again. Check it out. No more Rahul record exists. Rahul's record exists no more. Then go with the next option. Fourth, modify the phone number. You opt to change the phone number of your friend. Enter the name of your friend whose number you want to change. तो मुझे आदित्य का नंबर चेंज करना है 79864. Okay. Let me check whether the phone number has been changed or not. ये देखो. See the old phone number. Now see the change phone number. Have you got it? Yes, class. All right. The next is search for a friend. Fifth option. Search for a friend. You opt to search for a friend. Enter the friend name, Anuj. Yes, friend exists. Yes, friend exists. Again, search Rahul. Sorry, no such record found. Okay. Then, sixth, sort the key value pairs. You wish to sort the key value pair. After sorting key value pairs, ये देखो सिर्फ कीज की सॉर्टिंग हुई है. सिर्फ कीज की सॉर्टिंग हुई है. ओके. Then last, seventh, quit the code. Thank you for accessing the demo project. Okay. Am I clear? Yes, this is the code. I'm giving you 2 minutes. All of you go through the coding. If any questions, any queries, you can ask me. Any questions, any queries, you can ask me. Yes, please. I am scrolling through the entire code. You can go through the coding. Take your time, go through the code and discuss anything which is not clear to you. Don't hesitate to discuss. Your concept should be clear, logic should be clear. Don't cram the coding. Don't try to just do the time pass. Understand the concept, understand the logic. You can mold the coding in your own way also. Yes, Mayank, unmute yourself.
Sir, can you send this coding in group?
सर वो तो बात की बात है, पहले यहां तो देख लो.
Okay.
Yes. Tarun, Chirag, Devanshi, Pragati, Japanjot, no questions you have? सब कुछ समझ में आ गया? Okay then, if everything is clear to you. Yes, Tarun, unmute yourself.
हमने सर पॉप में -1 क्यों लिया था?
-1 इसलिए था बेटे कि इन केस आपका डिजायर्ड की अवेलेबल नहीं है तो कोई एरर ना आए, मैसेज आ जाए उसकी जगह. तो -1 जब वेरिएबल में गया तो हमने चेक किया क्या वेरिएबल -1 के बराबर है. अगर वो -1 के बराबर है तो मैसेज प्रिंट हो जाए. ठीक है. अगर मैं -1 ना करता ना तो I would have searched for the key which does not exist. Python would have raised the error. Okay, got it? All right. So now, as I have covered the dictionary chapter, now I would like to proceed with the revision of next topic, that is number system. Revision of number system. Okay. 11th A, B. Okay. I told you there are basically 4 types of number system. Decimal number system. We have binary number system. We have octal number system. And I have hexadecimal number system. I have decimal number system. I have binary number system. I have octal number system. I have hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system is a system which has the base 10 and digits includes are 0 to 9. Binary number system is a number system having the base 2 and digits cover are 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Whatever you feed will be converted in terms of 0 and 1. 0 is the low voltage, 1 is the high. 0 means false, 1 means true. Am I clear to all? Then octal number system. Octal number system is the number system having the base 8 and digits include are 0 to 7. 0 to 7. Then followed by hexadecimal number system. It has the base 16 and digits include are 0 to 15. From 0 to 9, we have decimal numbers. But from 10 to 15, we represent in form of code. Like if value is 10, it will get the code capital A. If value is 11, it will get the code B. And the value 15 will get the code F. Okay, got it? Up till here, any doubt? All right, let us go with the revision of first case, converting decimal to binary. जैसे I have example 79 to the base 10 to be converted to binary. 79 to the base 10 to be converted to binary. Okay, so we will use here repeated division method. Whenever you are to convert any number from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, आप डेसिमल में हो और आपने बाइनरी में जाना है या आपने ऑक्टल में जाना है या आपने हेक्साडेसिमल में जाना है, then we have to use repeated division method. Okay, so how to use it? Number is 79. First cell को छोड़ दो. Whenever you are to convert number from decimal to binary, divide by 2. Divide by 2. Okay. 79. Yes. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. Remainder 1. Write all the remainder here. Okay. Got it? Then again 2. 39. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. 2 9s are 18. Remainder 1. Okay. Again with 2. 2 9s are 18. Remainder 1. Again with 2. 2 4s are 8. Remainder 1. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 0. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. Okay. So when you get 1 over here, your question stops. When you get 1 over here, your question stops. Got it? Now what you are to do, you are to do the reading from bottom to top. You are to do the reading from bottom to top. Right? Right here. Reading from bottom to top. Take this one also. ये वाला one भी consider करना है. So we get 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 to the base 2. 2 is at the base. Okay, got it? Got it, all of you, what I have done? Any doubt, any queries? Yes, please, any queries? Yes, please. No, no doubt. This is the most simplest case. The most simplest case we have. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I am giving you one practice question. Do it. And later I will discuss with you all. 115 to the base 10 to be converted to binary. 115 to the base 10 to be converted to binary. Solve it and tell me the answer. 115 को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है. सॉल्व कीजिए एंड टेल मी द आंसर. ओके, yes, please hurry up, do it fast. Are you doing it? Hurry up, hurry up. Anybody? Yes, Japanjot has done. Yes, Japanjot, what are your views about it?
So 1 1 1
Wait,
double
wait,
0
wait.
double 1.
Wait. You are speaking from bottom to top or top to bottom?
हाँ जी sir, bottom to top.
1 1
So 1 1 1
1
double 0
double 0
double 1.
double 1 to the base 2. How many compatible with Japanjot? How many are compatible with Japanjot? Yes. You can check your answer if you want. If you have any doubt, you can check your answer. 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Every number is power of 2. Okay. So this is 2 की power 1, 2 की power 2, 1, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, then 64. हर नंबर पिछले का डबल है. या तो ऐसे चल लो या ये कह सकते हो every number is power of 2. Every number is the double of its previous number. Either you say like this, either you say every number is power of 2. Now wherever you have 1, add it. Only 1, add it. So we get 64 plus 32, we have plus 16 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So we have here 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15, 7, 3, 1, 1, 1, 5. Our question is correct. We have tally our answer. Our question is correct. इन क्वेश्चंस में आप इजीली चेक कर सकते हो आपका आंसर सही है कि नहीं. ओके, यू कैन चेक फॉर योर आंसर वेदर इट इज करेक्ट और नॉट. क्लियर टू ऑल? All right. Now here our next case is case number 2, converting binary to decimal. 1010 to the base 2 to be converted to decimal. Okay, to be converted to decimal, right? Okay. So whenever we are to go from binary to decimal, we will multiply each number with the power of 2. 0 into 2 की power 0 plus 1 into 2 की power 1 then 0 into 2 की power 2 and this is 1 into 2 की power 2. ये ऐसे है सारा. This is 2 की power 0. This is 2 की power 1. This is 2 की power 2. This is 2 की. Wait, I just set it. This is 2 की power 3. Okay. So anything raised to power 0 is 1. So it is 1 into 0, 0. 2 raised to power 1, this is 2. This is 0. This is 8. So we get the final answer as 10. We get the final answer as 10. Am I clear to all? Yes, am I clear to everyone? The two cases, any doubt, any difficulty? All right, you do this 11011. इसे convert करो from binary to decimal. Yes, please hurry up, finish it fast and tell me your results. 11011 to the base 2 to be converted to decimal. Solve it and tell me the result. Yes, Harnoor Kaur.
सर ये लास्ट में जब हमारा ये ऊपर 8020 बन गया उसके बाद लास्ट में सिर्फ सम करना है ना उनका.
तो और क्या करना है? सम ही करना है. सम ही करना है.
ठीक है. ओके सर.
Yes, Jatin, I think you have solved.
27.
27.
Sir, 28 है.
चेक कर लो. चेक कीजिए. 27 ही बनेगा मयंक. आप 1-1 चेक कर लो ना. इस वाले कोड के थ्रू 1-1 चेक करो. ये 1 2 4 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 ही तो बना. Is it clear, Mayank? Anybody having any doubt, any difficulty? Any child having any doubt, any question, any difficulty? Please feel free to ask. No doubt, no difficulty. All right.